Hi, I'm Justin Speer, and today I just received my new Orbitkey desk mat. So let's get this thing opened up. Here's the magnetic cable holder. And here's the mat. So here we go. So this felt side is the back of it. Here we go. I'm gonna have to reorganize a couple things here, but that should fit perfectly. Now the instructions say you have to roll it up in the reversed way to flatten it out a little bit. Now this mat comes in two different sizes. Comes in large or medium. This one is the large. Now this mat comes in two different colors, black like the one I have here, or you can get it in stone, which is kind of an off-white color. The large size, like I have here, is about 35 inches long and about 16.65 inches wide. The medium size is 27 inches long and 14.69 inches wide. One of the features I really like is the magnetic cable organizer here. It feels pretty sturdy, and just set it in this little tray like that, and that's pretty cool. I like that. Looks like it's going to hold the cable just perfectly. Plus I like how you can put this magnetic cable holder anywhere up and down this little tray and move it around as you see fit. And this tray is also perfect for holding pens and pencils to keep them from rolling. I love it. One of my favorite features about this desk mat is the document storage area. You can just lift up this little tab and tuck papers in underneath the top vegan leather mat, and they're tucked away and hidden. Everything looks clean and organized. And the bottom part of this mat is felt. Just about the only drawback I've heard from other people is that the felt doesn't have grippies, so it can move around a little bit. But I think with the weight of the keyboard and putting my hands on here for typing, I don't think it's going to move around much. Regarding the materials, this top layer is premium vegan leather. Feels really nice to the touch. It's very smooth, works perfectly as a mouse pad, so you don't need to put an additional mouse pad on here. And the bottom layer is 100% recycled PET felt. The retail price for this desk mat is $99.90. But you can sign up for emails and receive a 10% off discount code for your first order. So I did that, and so it brought it down to $89, which I thought was reasonable considering the nice materials it's made out of, and it's going to be the perfect organizer for me. Now, Orbitkey also got its start from making really nice organized keychains. And they have several different options for those, and they also have something called the Orbitkey Nest, which is a little organizer for pens and electronics, and also has a magnetic charging area. So they got some pretty cool organizational stuff. But I'm looking forward to using this mat. I think it's going to work out perfectly for me. Thanks for watching.